everyone, it's Chanel Star Ginger. But before we get started, give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Inside this video, I'm going to open this Mash'em. So it's kind of hard to open, but I never had a Mash'em before, only like one time, and it wasn't that girly girl. Yeah. And I hope you have fun watching me play with it. And if you don't have any Mash'ems, you should ask if you can buy one. They're really squishy. I see them on every day. Now I got only one. I have some more girly girl. I wish this is hard. So I'm gonna need to go upstairs. With my camera. Here. My peaches. Sorry about the wait up, but it's really dark. So you can't really see me. And I'm turning on. I'm just turning on. Right now it's gonna hang lighter. Now you can see me better. Mom. Mom!
Yeah.
Is it okay if you open this? You want to open it? Tick-tock, clickety-clack, clickety-clack. Oh, I can do
la
it.
la.
You saw? Okay. Now I have my own toy to open. No, let me go downstairs. I have a stairs. Here comes the back inside the kitchen where it's so light. Like that. So you can actually see me. Oh, sorry. This is so embarrassing. Oh my goodness, I got Twilight! She's not that squishy, but she's a little bit complicated. She stretches really good. Her hair, it's see-through like that. Her ears are really stretchy and also see-through. Her wings are stretchy. Her feet are kind of stretchy. Yeah. So this is not hard. This is her on your little pen. See? Cute. Wee, wee, wee. And her little horn goes stretch. I never had My Little Pony one, and I always wanted one. And here it is, so see-through. Actually squished eyes. The nose is kind of stretchy, but I'm kind of see. Inside this squish meter, I'm gonna give it a 9. It's the first day of squish meters, so I'm gonna do a mirror squishies when I get them, and see how much they are. Now I'm gonna put right here. I hope you liked this video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye! But before you go, don't forget to give a big thumbs up and subscribe.